tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it
Hey guys, a very good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. And today I'm just going to Pets Clinic as well. I just have a plan of purchasing few things for my Max. So here we are going. The sky is really so clear, guys, and the brightness of the clouds really, it's just pricking our eyes, and it's so beautiful. We just reached, guys, and here I'm just checking for a few shampoo which will really control the ticks and flea. I'm just searching for the product which will really give a great shine for our golden retriever puppy. And also we have a plan of buying leash which will be very comfortable while training. I was busy in shopping, guys, and here one more cute puppy came to this clinic, that is Dax own breed, which is female and it's pregnant. They've just come for a checkup, which was really looking so cute. And here it is a Cocker Spaniel breed, guys, which was really very cute. It's very young also. Both the puppies are really so cute, and my son got really excited watching these puppies because they are very small in size. And after having our lunch, we just came to the car wash because our car is so filthy. It's been a month washing a car, and the time have come where we have to wash it. Why? Because we have a plan of going out tomorrow. So where we are going, why we are going, you have to watch my coming videos. So are you guys ready to watch? So stay tuned, guys. The car was really damn filthy, and they took little bit of time of us, and it was really too late by the time we reach our home. Anyway, guys, our car is gonna shine end of this video.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you.
In between, you guys have to watch my son's naughty expressions. He loved to come into the frame, and he loved to disturb me a lot. Cleaning is almost done, guys. Now it's time for sanitizing a car. So, are you guys ready to watch? Sanitizing a hand, it's become routine. But sanitizing a car, it's something special. Watch it. With the help of the sanitizer machine, they're gonna fill the sanitizer smoke inside the car and they're gonna close the doors for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, they're gonna open all the 4 doors and the smoke will come out. Then your car is sanitized and it's ready to drive with the safety. Wow, the sanitizer fragrance is really too good, guys. I really love it. We just opened the car doors. Now, can you see the sanitizer smoke, guys? It's getting clear. But the aroma of this sanitizer is really amazing, guys. So that's all for today's fun, guys. Tomorrow I'm coming up with an interesting vlog. Don't miss to watch. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.